to take over that truck.
All in hurry to get nowhere. I saw just a video posted on the Dashcam Australia one. There was a big black SUV left hand side. There's a small hatchback in front of it, and the truck on the right hand side.
Yeah.
He tried to do a zip, slipped the back of the hatchback, and flipped his car. Yeah. The truck had to jump to a